Welcome YouTubers, Diecast Culture, and this is a quick video just to show you a couple of things that I found at Bexhill 100 Classic Car Show in East Sussex on the coast. And it was a great day, great weather, lovely and sunny and dry, and also saw some really unusual, amazing, real life full-size cars, as well as a few trade stands selling diecast. So starting off with the white car. So this appears to be an unbranded, unlicensed car, plastic base. It simply says on the base RVMM LLC, whatever that is, 2003, China. Yeah, I really like this one. So this is based on a Cadillac Coupe DeVille, and it's quite nicely detailed. It's got low rider wheels, small sized wheels, and one opening feature on this. And I wasn't sure what this is, but my son said to me that it's the hydraulics for the suspension. So I guess he's right. It's quite cool to have that detail, and look at that, low caddy. How cool is that? Don't know what the red writing says, California possibly. So I would love to get the marker pen out just to put some black weather shielding strips around the windscreen at the front, make it look a little bit more realistic. The blue is kind of slightly lurid colour, but I think that's all part of the idea of this low rider caddy. It's a good sized casting as well, so I'm comparing this with a green light Cadillac sedan DeVille, which is slightly, ever so slightly longer, just a fraction, but otherwise they're the same width. This is a Matchbox Lesney ISO Grifo, that's ISO and then Grifo, Grifo, and quite a sports car in its day. Sort of reminds me of Jensen. It's another British luxury sports car manufacturer, but ISO Grifo, is that Italian? Because it could be an Italian vehicle, I can't recall. But this one is in poor condition nonetheless. Still pretty cool. And this is what you call a barn find. So when I bought this from one of the trade stands, the guy said to me, "What do you want that for?" And actually I think it's pretty cool. So somebody sprayed it with a bit of gold, I guess, and give it a weathered look, as if it's been sitting in a barn for a few decades. So this is a VW Fastback, I believe. Super fast matchbox, Volkswagen 1600 TL. And nice opening feature doors here. I've got one of these in really nice condition, but it's a really lovely example. So I am a fan of Hot Wheels Boulevard. I think they're great. I did hear one major YouTube channel some years ago now say that they really weren't impressed with the Hot Wheels Boulevard range, but how can you not be? They make some really good stuff. So this one, as you can see, is a custom 70 Chevy Nova, and I particularly like this because it's got a very wide body in a contemporary creamy grey colour with real riders, and I love the artwork on the Boulevard series. This is awesome. Just look at the width of that. Seriously crazy arches extended. Looks like a carbon fibre hood. '66 Pontiac GTO, and I simply love the paint finish on this. I'm so impressed with some of the Hot Wheels Boulevard standard of finishes. They equal more premium brands such as Greenlight in terms of quality, in my opinion. So I got these Boulevards from a guy called Phil, who had a trade stand there, and he's also a diecast YouTuber called Diecast for You to See, and he's always got tons of stuff available for sale, which he also sells on eBay. So I would love to buy everything, but you need to pick and choose what you can afford, I guess. And I really do like this. It's a really decent sized casting, and just look at those lines and the wheels and the paint finish. Yeah, what a super fantastic casting, and its stance as well. It's really low rider. Very nice. Just thought the comparison might be quite interesting. Obviously the DeVille is going to be longer. Last of all are these two coaches made by Maisto, and I bought these for £3 each from a trade stand, and one is for Barcelona Football Club and the other is for Juventus Football Club, and they're around about 1/60 scale, and I know you don't really see coaches like this with low profile tyres and big rims. Nonetheless, these are really cool, and they're heavy, plastic base, but otherwise very solidly made. Great paint scheme. And I'm going to add a little bit more detail with the marker pen to the window frames. I'm going to make the front lights the correct colour, I guess. And there is Barcelona's shield motif. This is quite cool with the matte black paint scheme. And there is the scale comparison. So whilst it's larger than 1/64, it's certainly acceptable to me to look okay alongside some Hot Wheels. Okay guys, thanks ever so much for watching, and happy diecast hunting. Speak to you soon. Bye.